Okay, welcome back, West Coast Gardening. We're gonna plant our tomatoes today, and it's a little windy, so the sound might not be great. But let's show you. We got a whole bunch of tomatoes that we're gonna plant in this little space here. I plant them pretty close and put them on trellises. I know people say to plant them further apart, but you can plant them pretty close together. This is a nice windy spot here, so they dry out quite fast. And yeah, so what do we use to plant them when we dig our holes? Eggshells. Some bone meal nutrition at the bottom of the hole. And sometimes I put some of this just granular fertilizer around the hole and the top of the plants. So we dig our hole, and the key is you dig the hole pretty deep. You see these plants are nice and tall already. You want to bury the bottom, 4 to 6 inches of the plant. So break off these leaves, bury the plant up to there, and then this part of the plant will actually send out new roots, and the plant will start to grow even faster. So that's the key for tomatoes, is bury a lot of the plant. If it's already growing up quite tall and spindly, you can bury more, and sometimes you can even lay the tomato on its side, so this is like this, and then bend the shoot up. That will help you get more plant underground, generating more root and growing more energy. The thing to know about tomato plants is the whole way up the tomato plant can turn into a new tomato. So if you break it off right here, stick that in water or the ground, it can generate a brand new tomato plant. It has to have the leading edge or one of the suckers that will grow a new tomato plant. If you just break off a leaf, it'll grow roots, but it won't turn into a plant because it doesn't have the right progenitor shoot, okay? But any of these top shoots will turn into a brand new tomato plant if they're broken off and stuck in the ground. Okay, let's plant away. Hope you enjoyed the little tips, and the girls are gonna help me plant some tomatoes here.